Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I'm here to help you navigate the wild world of skincare without all the stress. Today, we're diving into skincare for teens. First things first, skincare doesn't have to be overwhelming. You don't need a million products or a 12-step routine. Nope. We're keeping it super simple. Step 1. Cleanse. This is where it all begins. You've got to wash away all the dirt, oil, and whatever else ends up on your face throughout the day. Grab a gentle cleanser. Something with salicylic acid is great if you're dealing with breakouts, or a hydrating one if your skin feels dry. And please, don't use bar soap. Your face deserves better than that, trust me. Wash your face twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. And no, splashing water on your face while stressing over homework doesn't count. Take your time, be gentle, and pretend you're in one of those fancy skincare ads. Step 2. Moisturize. No matter what your skin type is, oily, dry, or somewhere in between, you need moisturizer. Think of it as giving your skin a big drink of water. And no, it won't make you break out more. That's just a myth, like thinking you can survive on coffee and snacks alone. Go for a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer and apply it like your skin's life depends on it. Because, let's be real, glowing skin is everything. Step 3. Protect. Sunscreen is your skin's best friend. Even if you're just running errands or sitting by a window, UV rays are sneaky little things. And trust me, sun damage is not the look we're going for. Use a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher every single day. Yes, even when it's cloudy. Yes, even in winter. And yes, even if you're indoors most of the time. Slather it on like you're frosting your favorite cupcake. And don't forget your neck and ears unless you want to look like a mismatched puzzle. Bonus tip, treat yourself. Once a week, hop on a face mask, grab your favorite snack, and relax. You've earned it. And if anyone tries to interrupt, just tell them you're busy. Busy glowing, that is. Alright, that's it. Skincare doesn't have to be complicated, just stick to the basics, and your skin will thank you. Remember, your skin is already amazing, but a little extra care never hurts. Now go out there and shine like the star you are. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep glowing, everyone.